journey to Oyo Dam for a drone shoot, more of a site inspection for one of our clients at Geoinfotech. On getting to Oyo Dam, we needed to take a bike because the site wasn't easily accessible. Finally, we got there and we were introduced to most of the activities on the farm. A lot of activities has been developed that are required of us to cover. So from the last time we came here, we tried as much as possible to watch some of the changes that have been made, and we're introduced to a lot of development on the farm. Alright, so we later set up our drone and we confirmed all drone kits, and we did a sketch on different angles of where we'll be covering, and to make it easy for us to understand the whole environment. We checked the drone calibration and the GPS strength and make sure that we confirm the camera settings and the exposure. And we did a lot of reconnaissance to make sure we don't get any obstruction or any crash. Okay, so because the environment is very large and we did a lot of checkpoints. Then we noticed all is set, then we launched the drone and we followed our flight sketch, and we made sure that we maintained accuracy and a stable flight. And we captured to detail, and we did a lot of surrounding captures, and we captured all details on activities on sites. We also did some close resolution to make sure that we capture more and proper inspection on the activities on sites. We noticed some of the changes and some structures and that are more appealing, so we tried as much as possible to maintain close resolution to those structures. And moving on to the next activities, we had to capture the solar plants, and this is just a foundation, and we had to capture the current activity on the site and also the surrounding environments of the site. We captured surrounding environments of the solar plants, and we tried as much as possible to link between the solar plants area and a previous sites where we captured. That's the major activities, and we also captured the surrounding environments. We also looked at the distance between both of them. We captured as the boundaries of the farm. We also captured nice shots. We captured zooming in of the farm and also the surrounding environment. We also followed tracks of known roads that are on the sites that will be easily identifiable by the client. We captured nice shots to make sure that anyone watching this will easily know what are what and other activity that is on site. So while we are done capturing, we set up our drone and make sure we check everything on the system so we don't go back to site again. So we check all our records and make sure that everything was well captured before we leave from the site. So we took a bike, taking about 1 hour before we get to the bus stop. The bike. It was fun, and we really enjoyed the movement. Okay, so we are done and we head home, and that is it. So you can check us out in case you really need a nice shoes like this, and you can always check us at Geoinfotech Resources Limited. We are very good at site inspection, one of the best in 3D mapping and surveying, engineering coverage, and surveying and mapping, and anything that has to do with drone. Okay, we're good at it. Okay, thank you. All right, catch you up next time.